Big guy, what's going on? Yes, you doing all right? I told you to keep it up. I come in just like an alien. Just ain't coming good. Ah. Can't man. I suppose. Now that you got to win. Nothing like that. Yeah, have you got a chance to do it?
Next week I'm about to return our passage.
Y'all saw it before? Or used it?
Why is he open?
God, what's going on? Now, this is the first time I got a chance to do this. This is the first time I got a chance to do this. You a movie star? Because your house is bigger than my church back home. So,
what are you selling?
Dad, I'm selling it back. Now, actually, you ain't got to buy one thing. Not trying to change your religion like the Black Jehovah Witness and nothing like that. But, look stuff for free. Come on down. I'm like Bob Barker. The price right, I promise you. Just come look at what I got.
I'm not even home.
Oh, you ain't home?
No, I ain't home.
What the hell? I know you playing the movies. You looking at me on your front porch talking to me and you ain't home?
No, I'm in Pasadena.
What the hell? Are you serious, dude? Dude, can you see me?
At the wrong house,
you can see me right now, dude.
What's up?
You can see me right now?
I can see you, bro. White shirt with black stripes.
Shit is crazy. Dude, if you can see me right now, check this out. Hold this for me, homeboy. Watch this here.
I'm kind of cleaner.
This is shit right here, boy. You checked us out on YouTube yet? 5 million. You said no fingerprints, no streaks.
Hey, bro. Come back tomorrow.
Come back when?
Come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I got you, homeboy.
Yeah, I'll be home tomorrow, man.
Hey, no doubt. Can I get that brochure? Yeah, I'll bring that back with me tomorrow, no doubt. I'll come back. Appreciate that, man. That's
all right.
Crazy shit right there. All right. The craziest shit I ever seen. This nigga looking at me.